So at Progra, so we have dedicated few minutes for thinking, right? So we should nurture this character to think rather than just read it or do coding. You need to think by ourselves, okay, to find a solution. So I'm just giving one uh, problem statement to you. So I want the Python to print the output like this. Okay, I want the Python to print the output like this. I am not going to give a program. You guys should think by yourself. Okay, and come up with a program. So this is what like, hi, I am Haniel and my age is 8. Okay, so you have to put your name and your age. Okay, and the prerequisite is that you should use Python variables. Don't type like that. Print, hi, I am Haniel and the age is 8. You should not do like that. You should use variables. Okay, and you have to decide how many variables you are going to use. And yeah, you guys are ready? Any questions? Any questions? You need clarification on this task? So I need this output, but you have to use variables. We have learned variables, right? In variable, what we will do? We store value or information. So here, come on, guys. Yeah. So what I would recommend, no, you can here no one the thing which one is vary to everyone. Look at hello, I am Haniel. Hello, I am Somnath. Hello, I am Shishpinda. So which of these is keep vary here? In this statement, which one will vary often? Which one will change here? Yeah, Haniel and 8 is going to change, right? Because when I type my name, I have to put my name. When you type your name, you have to put your name. So, and age is also different. My age is different, his age is different, and you guys all ages are different, right? So what are the things that we can move here to a variable? So here, come on guys, this is gonna change, yeah, and this is gonna change, right? Depends on who you are. The name is gonna change, and the age is going to change. My name and age is different. Your age and name is different. So variable is a place where we can store information, right? So can we have a variable called name? Sorry, name equal to like Alex and age equal to 12. So this is a string and this is a number. And then we need to replace this. Instead of Haniel, we have to use this. And instead of age, you have to use 8, you have to use this. You guys are getting the point? We are going to use two variable and then we can assign the value here. Now we have two variable. So to print, what we will do? Print. We will put here one, what we did, hello, and we print world, right? Earlier we did that. Come on guys, listen. Haniel, Shivani, listen. So to get this output, what we can do? Print hi, I am alone in a text. Come on guys. This alone we can put in the text. First argument. Come on, Shivani, listen. And then what we can do? We can print the name. So we can pass the name variable here. Okay? And then what comes? This comma and my age is coming. So all this is nothing but string. What I can do, I can open a quotes, inputs, and my age is, and you can close it. Okay, and the fourth argument would be the age. The age we can print here. You guys are getting? When I look at the face, I think you guys didn't get that. No? Look, it is easy to, it is easy. Whichever I program I type, following you is easy. But when you know, if I give a new program, it seems difficult, right? That is what more important. You have to think. Guys, you have to think. We used string, we used variable. Using string and variable, we can get this output. Look at this is string, and sorry, this is string, this is a variable, this is string, this is a variable. Confused? Confused? Anyone can suggest anything? So okay, so what I would say, no, can you guys note this exercise in your note? Next week, come up with a solution. Okay? This alone. Take this exercise. Hello, I am, this is what we need. Note it on your notebook. Come on, guys. Yeah. Is programming interesting? Guys, is program interesting? It will be very, very interesting. Okay? And it will be very, very fun. Haniel, this is not a full solution, Haniel. This is not a full solution. You are just storing the entire. Only the name and age alone you are storing a variable. Okay, I think yeah, we are no running out of time, guys. Note this the task, and next week you guys can come up and tell the solution. Okay, but I said don't go with ChatGPT. Okay, don't use ChatGPT or any AI to get it done. You have to think. If you are using AI, then AI will think. You will not think. And if you don't think, you cannot innovate. You cannot innovate. If you don't think, you cannot give new solutions. All is no, the primary purpose of our coding school, no, you guys have to think. Don't use any of the AI tools. Whatever you learned, try to recollect. Okay? Yeah? Can you guys notice the problem statement? I want this output. Yeah, this output I want. Yeah? Is everyone taken time? Let's take a note. Shivani and Sushmita. Okay, let's move on. So we'll go with the usual programming. I want to give some practice session. Did you complete? No. You should use only the name and age should be in the variable. Look at now, you're putting this also in the variable, right? I don't want. Only the name and the age alone should be in the variable. Other things should be part of the print statement. Okay, no problem. Don't hurry. Correct. Now how will you print it? Yeah, can you print it? Yeah, print it. Come on, guys. So let's move on. Any questions on this task? Don't ever use the AI for this when you learn. Okay. Yeah, once you're done, let me know. Okay, let's now resume our programming. So I think we completed till now. We completed till here, okay? So can you guys try this? Any guesses? What's the program all about? Come on guys, see the program and see. Yeah, think. What's the difference? Uh, Come on guys, yeah, give him a big round of applause. Yeah? Very well said, Haniel. So what are you doing? Look at now. We are mixing. We are mixing double quotes and single quote. Can you guys quickly try that? Change your variable according to no whatever you wish. Yeah? Come on, do it. Come on. What happened? Look at what you're doing, right? So if it's a text, right? You should have both quotes, starting and ending quote, the text. And if it's a variable, then we should not have any of this, right? And here is and. What is this and? Is that a text? If it's a text, then you should put in the quote, single quote, double quote. And my, yeah, I think, yeah. Can you run it? I think, yeah, Viyaan has completed a task, guys. Yeah, he completed a coding challenge task. Yeah, but yeah. So yeah, we'll give a minute, come back to that. So can you show the program? Viyaan, can you complete whatever you completed? Can you come and explain that? So yeah, wait. No, we'll complete this and go. This is important. So can you explain how you did? Yeah, you can. You want a question? Come here, come. What do you want? Correct. Yeah, I understand. Can you come and explain to other folks as well? So come on, guys, give him a big round of applause. He completed his program, and he's gonna come and explain you how he did that. Yeah, listen, guys.
I I want the Python to print the output like, hi, I am Haniel and my age is 8. So Haniel is the variable and 8 is another variable. So sir, how do I erase this? And name equals to Haniel and age is 8. So the
So he has created two variables, name and age. The name he has stored a value Haniel, and the age he stored a value age. Yeah, come on, explain.
we call this as a variable because Haniel is stored information in the variable. So we could change this anytime we want. Our names are different. And 8 is also a variable because it is stored in the variable at information. And next we should write the string. Print
Till now, here from H to M, he is writing writing as a string. And then, yeah, good. Put a comma and writing the variable name. So this whole is variable name, right? So we passing the variable name here. Comma. No, no, that's not. Name is quotes, right? Just put comma here. Name this variable.
So I already put
Yeah. And it is
name.
the variable name there.
Then we should end it with that one.
Yeah. Then should I write? Here's written this one. And my age is as a string here. Okay. And my age is another string, and he has put comma, and then what is written? No, he is instead of 8, he is using this age variable. That's all. That's all. It is clear. You go home. Okay, we are going to close it. Next week, no, let everyone show the code. Okay. Who doesn't have a laptop can do it. Who doesn't have a laptop can come and do it.
We should just go home and write this.
Okay.
Just go and do this one.
Which one?
This one we should go home and do it.
Yeah. Come on, guys, give him a big round of applause. Yeah, the primary purpose of programming, learning program is you have to think. Okay, you guys all did a very good job. Come on, guys, give yourself a big round of applause to yourself. Okay.